Good day, sir. Good day, classmate. I am Huit Dexter B from the BS Cream 3C. For this video, I'll comparing the RA 9344 and Juvenile Delinquency and Prevention Act of the United States of America. For this example of the juvenile delinquency in the United States refers to a criminal acts committed by the individual under the age of 18. The behavior has been focus of attention since the 1950s, which researchers and the policymakers seeking to understand its cause and develop effects from strategies for reducing crimes rate among young. Understanding juvenile delinquencies encompasses a wide range of the offenses from minor status offense like truancy or underage, like for example drinking, more serious crimes like property offenses, violent, criminal, sexual offenders, and cybercrimes, while terms delinquents usual refers to a juvenile offenses. It can also use more broadly describe young people who engage uncountable behavior. The causes of juvenile delinquency are complex to multifaceted, often involving a combination of individual like family, fear, and societal factors. Some of the key contributing factor from the family environment, we have the parental supervision, family structure, socioeconomic status, and exposure to violence or substance abuse can significant violence and child-like engaging delinquent like fear influence, antisocial fears, gang involvement, and peer pressure can exert a powerful influence on young people, leading them to engage in delinquent. From the school to prison, they have the terms of the systematic factors like push children, particularly for those from the disadvantaged background, toward to the criminal justice system instead of the providing them with opportunity of education and success. And also mental health, from the mental health issues and substance abuse can contribute to delinquent behavior, often leading to poor. We have the decision making in case, so socioeconomic factors, poverty, lack of opportunity, and exposure to crime, children, and environment can increase the likelihood of juvenile. The juvenile justice system in the United States aims to address delinquents through a combination of intervention. The diversion of this program aims to keep youth out of the formal justice system and providing alternative pathways for addressing and their offenses, such as counseling, community service, or restorative justice initiative. From the justice court, this court handle case involving minor offense, focusing on the rehabilitation, resignation rather than punishment. For detention center, while the emphasize detention isolation is also centered, still play a role in a system providing temporary custody for youth who pose a risk to themselves. We have the despite of effort to address juvenile delinquency from the United States contributes to face challenge, including the racial disparities of youth and colors are disproportionate represented in the juvenile justice system, reflecting systematic basis and inequalities. And also, thank you.